In this video, I will show you how you can delete your repository on GitHub. So it's really easy. And firstly, you want to open GitHub. Then you want to click on those three lines. And from this menu, you want to choose repositories. Then you want to choose my repositories. And from here, you can see all your repositories. And to delete a repository, you just want to click on your repository. And then you need to click on settings at the top. And from here, you want to scroll all the way down until you see this danger zone. And from here, you have a couple of options. And one of them is delete this repository. So once you delete a repository, there is no going back. So please be certain and just click on delete this repository if you want. I want to delete this repository. I have read and understand those effects. And then you just need to copy this name of it and paste it here. And then once you click delete this repository, it will remove it permanently. So click on it and your repository is gone. So if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.